Have you ever heard a sound that makes you smile? A little pop? A happy crackle? What if I told you there's a whole land filled with that sound? Welcome, fun seekers, to Popcorn Park, a place where every corner is popping with surprises and every moment is filled with joy. First up, hold on tight for the popcorn cannon rides. Boosh! You'll fly through the fluffy, cloudy sky, launched from a giant popcorn cannon, landing softly in a sea of warm, buttery popcorn. It's the silliest, most wonderful way to travel. Next, feel the thrill on our butterslide hills. Swish! Glide down smooth, sunny hills made of pure, melty butter. It's slippery, it's slidey, and it smells absolutely delicious. Ready to jump? Dive into our amazing kernel jump pits. Plink, plonk, rattle, leap into giant pits filled with smooth, round popcorn kernels. It's like a bouncy ball pit, but with the funniest sounds you've ever heard. And when it's time to relax, snuggle up in our movie night theaters. Here the seats are giant popcorn kernels, and you can watch your favorite movies while snacking on endless popcorn of every flavor. In Popcorn Park, you never know what will happen next. Because here, something fun always happens. Like and subscribe.